Hello friends, welcome to Handmade by Shravs. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm back with yet another Christmas decor item. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful tree with the items that is considered as junk. Like they say, someone's trash is someone's treasure. I made this gorgeous tree with the items that we usually consider as junk. No one would believe when you tell them how you made this. Let's see how I made this tree. We recently purchased a case of wine and it had this packaging material, and it is made with some kind of molded fiber. It's like pressed paper, like paper mache. For the body of the tree, I use this beverage cup. Depending on how tall you want your tree to be, you can choose the size of the cup. To make the branches, we need to cut the cardboard into the shape as shown here. For the bottom of the tree, cut the pieces little bigger, and as we reach the top of the tree, reduce the size gradually. For the bottom two rows, I cut the cardboard into 1.5 inches in width and 2 inches in length, about 6 or 7 for each row. Using an X-Acto knife or a good pair of scissors, cut the cardboard carefully. You can also use cardboard from egg crates. You don't have to have this kind of package material. After all the pieces are cut, we need to curl the curved or the rounded side of the cardboard. I'm using a chopstick to help me curl it. This is how it looks after we curl. So we need to curl all the pieces in the same way. The next step is to glue all the pieces onto the cardboard. Using a glue gun makes the process faster. After finishing sticking a row, I used an elastic to make sure the cardboard pieces stay put while they are drying. And you need to stick all the other layers in the same fashion. When you start a new tier, start sticking the first piece 1 inch above the bottom layer, and the piece needs to be in between two bottom pieces, like a scallop pattern. Keep building more layers until you reach the top of the cup. I wanted to make my tree little taller, so I attached 2 pieces. I cut these 2 pieces from the package material and attached it to the top of the cup using a glue gun. After we are done building our tree, it's time to paint. I used acrylic paints by artist Loft. This is brilliant blue, lemon yellow, and bronze color. Mix little bit of blue with yellow and bronze to make a metallic green color. Using a 1/4 inch flat brush, paint the whole tree with the paint that we just mixed. You can use water to make the paint thin. Make sure you cover insides of the tree as well. After we are done painting, this is how the tree looks, and we can leave it as is, but I wanted to add a little bit more bling to the tree, so I decided to add these foam balls that I got from Dollar Tree. These foam balls come in various sizes, and each pack has two colors. This pack had bronze and gold glitter on it. I just randomly chose the colors and tucked them under each branch. You can also stick them, but just tucking worked for me. It was not, the balls were not falling off. And that's it. We are done making this gorgeous tree under only $5. All you need to decide is to where to showcase this beautiful piece. It looked great on my console table. What do you think? If you like this idea, please let me know in the comment section. And for such other crafts and decoration ideas, stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to your friends and family, and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.